Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Wix Premium plan and get a refund. So let's get started. So this is just a scenario for you. So for example, you are actually subscribed to the Wix Premium plan. Then what you can do is you can click on the search bar right here and search in here for cancel. Now under this cancel, you can see this premium subscriptions. So just click on this one, and then this will open your account settings on your actual Wix account. Now in here, if you are subscribed to your premium, then you can actually see it right here. Now, if you see it right there, you should be able to see a three dots wherein you can just click on that and you should be able to see a cancel button. It's actually a very direct method in order to cancel your actual Wix. So if you cancel your actual Wix account, then you should be able to see that there are some downgrades that will happen to your site as well. So be mindful if you still want to cancel it. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.